Hey, 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 it's the last day of the year. It's the last day of the year. Hey, hey. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. We made it to the end of the year. It is the last day of 2021. I personally cannot complain about 2021. It has been a much better year to me than the previous years. Just so much better. I truly can't complain. If I complain about 2021, honestly, that would just me being ungrateful. You know, I'm thankful. I made it to the last day. Thank you, Father God. By God's grace, I have been covered and protected, and I have been very abundant. Very abundant. I'm so thankful for that, you know. I love the person that I became this year. Even though COVID has changed me to become an introvert, I'd use that time to really work on myself because there was aspects of me that I did not like. So I made sure to work on it. Like, I went to having like a great job. Like, work has been amazing for me this year. You know, I'm thankful that I had a job. You know, just a lot. Like, I have changes that had happened. You know, I like to move in silence, so I'm just going to keep certain things to myself. If 2021 has not been a good year for you, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I pray and hope that 2022 is a much better year for you. I hope all the good things that you deserve come to you, you know? But let's give thanks and gratitude that we have made it thus far this year. You know, some people, it's just sad. It's been a really sad year for some people. And once again, if you had a sad year, I'm so sorry. And I truly do hope that next year is better for you. I tell people all the time that the energy you put out is what you get back. So, you know, I want nothing but good things. Nothing but good things. So, you know, I just put out good. So, you know, I'm putting out good energy. I pray that God covers and protects everyone. Next year, I pray to God that we're all protected and covered. I hope I hope 2020 you is 2020 you. I hope 2020 you. I hope 2022 is the year of you. I hope it's the best year you have ever experienced. Ooh, I messed that up, but I'm here for it. I hope 2022 is the year of 2020 you. Ooh, look at me messing up, but I'm here for it. Guys, it's the last day of 2021. We made it. Ooh. Guys, Happy New Year. I hope it is a blessed, abundant, peaceful, joyful New Year. Oh my goodness, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That way. Hit that bell. That bell. That bell so you can get my notifications. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this year. I know I have been very inconsistent. I've lacked with putting out my videos. Granted, I've always put them out, but I have lacked. And I am going to absolutely try my best next year to do so much better. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope you guys continue to stick it out. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, Happy New Year! Woo!